Good day mga kamatics! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Our topic for today is about oppositeness and representation about integers. First of all, I have an activity titled What's the Opposite? Number 1. Cold. The opposite of cold is warm. Down. The opposite of down is up. North. The opposite of north is south. Rising. The opposite of rising is falling. Decrease. The opposite of decrease is increase. Backward. The opposite of backward is forward. Below. The opposite of below is above. Nasa baba, then nasa taas. Interesting. The opposite of interesting is boring. So, sa pamamagitan nito, ma-identify natin kung saan yung negative and positive. So, cold. The cold is the positive and the warm is the negative. Down, nasa baba. So, matatawag natin siyang negative. Up, positive. North, nasa taas, positive. South, negative. Rising, pataas, positive. Falling, negative. Decrease, negative. Increase, positive. Backward, negative. Forward, positive. Below, sa baba, negative. Above, positive. Interesting, positive. Boring, negative. Next. Representing the opposites. I have 5 situations in this. So, first one is drive 40 km south. From the word south, the sign number is negative dahil nandun siya sa baba. Opposite of the situation. So, opposite of this situation. When the word south, the opposite of south is north. Nasa taas. So, drive 40 km north. So, north na siya. So, ang sign number is positive, which is positive 40. Walk steps forward. From the word forward, the sign number is positive 5. Opposite of the situation, walk 5 steps backward. From the word forward, backward. So, ang the sign number niya ay negative 5. Next, 32 meters below the sea level. From the word below, negative 32. Opposite of the situation, 32 meters above the sea level. The word below. So, above na siya from the opposite. So, the sign number is positive, which is 32. Next, a deposit of 5,000. From the word deposit, nilagyan. So, positive 5,000. Opposite of the situation, from the word deposit, ang opposite sa deposit is withdrawal, which is kinuha. A withdrawal of 5,000 pesos. Which is the sign number is negative 5,000. Next, demerit of 7 points. Demerit is synonym of negative or kinuhaan or binawasan. So, the sign number is negative 7. Next, opposite of the situation, merit of 7 points. From the word demerit, the opposite is merit. Nilagyan or dinagdagan. Which is, the sign number is positive 7. So, any clarification and questions? So, you get the oppositeness and representation of integers. If you learn this video, please like and subscribe.